Knott's Berry Farm.
Is it not very fun? Or is it very
I was 21 years, which was the last time we visited, which was the accelerator issues.
Yes.
The year it opened for CoasterCon Ace. So I'm sure there's some changes since we've been here. So we're off to explore.
Yes. They're going to get rid of their smaller steam engine,
Yes,
which is
that's sad.
Smaller crown metal. And they're also getting rid of one of the rides that I actually remember riding when I came here when I was like 8 years old, which is a little push car ride.
We got a Jaguars running there. Good, quiet. So they're updating their Camp Snoopy area,
which was the first Camp Snoopy area. It opened in 1985.
But the sad part is they're getting rid of their classic, I think, 2-foot crown metal steam engine.
Yeah.
Really kind of sad.
They're still going to have their full-size steam engine.
Yes.
But this is, they had two originally, so.
Well, they're replacing it with either gas, diesel, or electric. I don't know what it is.
It's not steam.
I really hope they sell that to somebody who
appreciates it.
Yeah. There's a place in Kansas City area that actually has 4 of those 2-footers from crown metal. Hopefully maybe somebody like that will get it and they'll restore it and bring it back to its former glory.
And then the other ride they're getting rid of is the little push cars, which is, just a second.
That's a little spinner going there.
A little spinning coaster. I think it's a Carousel hour.
I don't think so. I think it's Mac.
Knott.
Looks the same. Alright, what was you saying?
They're also getting rid of their little push car ride, which is like one of those little cars. It's on a little track and you just do the little push to move yourself along. The reason it's kind of sad to me is because when I came here when I was 8 years old in 1985, when Camp Snoopy was originally brand new, that's the one ride that I actually remember riding. I don't have any photos from it, but I remember riding.
Yeah.
So it's kind of sad because it was here last time we were here, and obviously I was too big to ride it.
Well, I'm more excited about the steam train. I did cut the course back over the years. I see it over here. There's coaches.
Oh, yep, there's the coaches. Those are just like the ones at Hershey Park.
Now,
also
if I had the money, I would love to have one of those. I wonder if the engine's sitting back there. I don't know if you can go around the other side and look or not. I have to ride the ride.
You gonna go ride the balloon ride?
We're gonna ride the Jaguar too. It goes over there. Yep, you're gonna twist our hands. We gotta go ride something. Go see if it's there. I'm down here behind Jaguar, but Monzuma's Revenge. It's kind of sad. You can see parts of the left of it. Ride number 1 done. Jaguar.
Jaguar.
It's a little rougher than I remember.
Well, you know,
fun,
20 years old, 20 years of age will do that to you.
Yeah. Off to the next adventure. We found the steam engine. Yeah, it's sitting back behind the wall.
It's right by, oh gosh, I can't remember the Montezuma's Revenge. Because track about it.
So Dominic, have them buy that for that one operation you work with. Uh-oh, Carousel.
Philadelphia Toboggan Carousel that they have. I think it's a Philadelphia Toboggan.
You gonna ride it?
You ride it? You ride it.
Oh, I'm not gonna ride it. I will wait for you to enjoy yourself.
Oh, it's a Denzel. It's a Denzel. I apologize, Carousel guy. It's called Denzel.
Alright, well, you go enjoy it. Have fun. Train. Unfortunately it's going to be down for the next 3 months for track maintenance, so it's sad. Stagecoach is not open. Looks like the log flume's not open. So we're gonna go to the Calico Mine Company. And what is it?
280.
Huh?
It's a 280.
Well, who made it?
Baldwin.
It's a Baldwin 280. They're doing some maintenance. The guy was telling me they're going to scrap the coaches for the little 24-inch gauge. So again, Dominic, reach out. Hopefully, maybe you can get those.
1881.
They wanted to, so they want to keep the steam for some reason, which is kind of odd since we're not going to have a 24-inch.
I know.
So
maybe they're being very protective of all their steam engines, like they did a couple years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh well. Yeah, the one that they keep saying it wasn't here.
Yeah. But yeah.
Yeah, that was here, but wasn't here.
Yeah.
That's a long story. Maybe also down 620, but nobody will. It's kind of out there, but people won't believe it.
Your coaster's going. Accelerator.
Oh, the accelerator's running. Good. Oh, okay. Well, we'll move on.
If you need a quick way to any level of the mine, this here underground lake's one of hundreds found all throughout these winding caves. That fellow over there is panning for gold from a sluice, and that other fellow's panning for dinner. One stray spark and it'll all get blasted. Venture out onto this trestle without anything heavier than my burro Mildred. But what a gal. So keep your hands and arms inside at all times so as not to upset the car. There's some serious work underway up ahead. I'd say we're blasting right into the heart of this here mountain. Say, give some of that dynamite to me. Let her rip, boys.
It's too late. They're ready to blow.
Slow that train down. There's blasting ahead. Slow down there.
That'll wake you up in the morning. It's been my pleasure showing you all around.
Woohoo! I got a new coaster count.
That's rare for you.
It's hard, but since I haven't been here in like 20 years,
Yeah.
it's on hang time.
Carousel.
Yeah, I just got off of it. It was no wait. Absolutely walked right on. I actually did get checked height. There's a max height limit.
Oh, they have a max height?
Yeah.
How were you? Were you barely there? Or
I
barely?
don't know. I couldn't tell. It's behind me. But actually, I enjoyed it a lot. It was pretty fun. I mean, I thought it was going to be rougher, and it really wasn't rough.
You were thinking it was going to be like the one at Dollywood. Sure not.
I don't know. It's just it's a fun ride. I really don't know. It's like I know it's really one inversion. All the other ones that go through it so fast, but hey, it's fun. Another new coaster.
This is actually both our third new coaster on this trip.
Bruised shins.
It's got a shin bar, which
Shin bar horrible. I can barely. It was painful to get in.
the ride itself wasn't painful, which I was very thankful for. I was kind of a little worried.
I was a little worried about that. But I haven't hit any bumps or anything else. I probably have bruises on my shins, but. So everybody, those people who design coasters.
What is the whole idea of shin bars?
This one, no, I know what shin bars, but this RMC and Chance on that new coasters suck. Work your shin bars better. It's horrible for people with long legs. Just saying. Work them, do them better. But it's a fun ride. I think I've ridden on somewhere RD somewhere else, but I don't remember it being so painful. Okay, well we're going to go do the Sky Tower, I think.
Yes.
And that's all the new coasters I can get here. I'll kind of update when I get the other side so I can see the coaster because the sun is in the way.
Hello riders, welcome to the Sky Cabin. Just a reminder, you are allowed to stand and get to the top, but until then, please remain seated. And if the drinking on this ride is prohibited, please don't run using or jumping while the attraction is in motion. Thank you and enjoy your ride.
We begin our ascent today on an Orange County landmark that has been flying guests over Knott's Berry Farm since 1976. The Sky Cabin, which you are currently riding, was originally built in Switzerland and transported in several sections through the Panama Canal to Knott's Berry Farm and has been soaring ever since. We would like to now direct your attention to outside your window as we tell you some of the sights you will see. To the south, you will see Hang Time, which takes riders up a 15-story lift hill and suspends them at the top before descending down a 96-degree drop. To the east, you will see many sights within our Ghost Town, Fiesta Village, and Camp Snoopy areas. That mountain range, for instance, is our Timber Mountain Log Ride. It was the first themed log flume ride when it opened in 1969 and remains to this day one of our most popular.
So we got off on Oxbury Trail. It's actually a fun little dark ride.
I really enjoyed it, yeah. Yeah, but it's like Toy Story Mania where you pull the string on the gun instead of having a trigger. I think it's better, honestly.
Yeah, you take they're like little jars of jam you shoot.
Yes.
At different pie. You gotta shoot the pies.
Yes. I shot everything.
I shot everything. Whatever it was, I shot it. So I'm sorry if I got some character pied over there, but that's their fault. last orders over here by Pony Express. The Grizzly Rider
Ride, Prince Ride, yeah.
Oh, and here, look at that speech. Here it comes.
I still think this would be a perfect fit for Americana because it's themed to Pony Express, which is local. I mean,
Yes,
it started
it is.
in
That's
St.
why
Joe, Missouri.
I've been saying that for a long time, but they never built a second one. It's the only one they have.
Yeah.
But it uses the same launch system as Montezuma's style. Clutch, I think it is.
You know
Clutch
that more than
flywheel
better than I do. It's a very mild family style kind of launch coaster, but I still think it would work really well.